Hello everyone, we are going to be solving daily Leetcode problem given today 3477 fruits into baskets part 2. Before starting this problem, we shall have a small motivational quote. If you wish to improve, be content to appear clueless or stupid, right? When you are willing to admit ignorance or make mistakes without fear of looking foolish, you create space for learning. True improvement comes from curiosity, not pride. So embrace the beginner's mindset, ask questions, and accept temporary confusions as part of the journey. Right? Always be willing to learn and accept the fact that you have something, you would always have some mistakes or correction points with you. Right? So just start out from the beginning and take the journey. So this is an easy type problem. You are given two arrays of integers, fruits, and baskets of length n. Fruits of I represents quantity of ith fruit. Baskets j represent quantity of jth fruit. From left to right, place the fruits according to these rules. Each fruit type. So this is a rule, right? So this is a crucial thing to keep in mind. I have a question at the end based on this rule. Uh, this will be a good point to answer that. Each fruit type must be placed in leftmost available basket with a capacity greater than or equal to the quantity of that fruit type. Each basket can hold only one type of fruit. If a fruit cannot be placed in any basket, it remains unplaced. Return the number of fruits that remain placed unplaced after all possible allocations are made. In this example 1, we see that there are fruits 4, 2, and 5 as the quantity, and they can be placed, this first fruit can be placed in this basket, while the 2 can be placed in this basket, while 5 is unplaced. So 1 is the total number of unplaced items. Similarly, here we have 3 that can be placed in the first second this basket, which has a quantity greater than so instead of placing it here, we should place it in the first basket, which has quantity greater than the fruit value. So that's the whole problem, and that's the rule that this problem mentions. And sixth value can be placed in this number, and also the one can be placed in this basket. So all three fruits are placed, and the 0 is the unplaced number of fruits. Knowing this, we can approach the solution. But one question here is, even after this problem statement given this problem statement, is it meaningful for us to perform sorting operation? Ri- Write your thoughts or uh, points in the comment section, because this is a rule which might clearly state that each fruit type must be placed in the leftmost available basket. So it says that whatever first basket value is greater, let's say, for example, let's say fruits 1, 10, and 2 are given, and the baskets that will be are 100, let's say 5 and 1. You should obviously place this one in this one, because fruit 1 can be placed in this basket which fits 100 fruits. So that's the whole point, right? So therefore, I believe this statement indirectly says that there should not be sorting done on any of these arrays, either the fruits or the baskets array. Let me know your thoughts on this problem statement, right? So with this said, I will write the approach that we would take for this problem. So we will iterate through all fruits. So each fruit we check if fruit And also we iterate through baskets with a loop j running from 0 to length. And if fruits of I is greater than baskets of j, this will be I 0 to length baskets of j. So this will give us the first available basket that can be placed. And also if this, we shall also check, we shall also keep track of a used basket array, used baskets, which will be of the same length as baskets. And we check if baskets of j and is not used, and then we can have this statement here. So this actually should be here, and then this one. If that's the case, then we mark used of j is equals to true and placed is equals to true, and we can break this for loop. Else else if it's unplaced, it's not placed, then we increase the number of fruits that are unplaced to place, right? So we can finally return this unplaced number. Okay, so that's the whole idea. We will solve this problem quickly. So this should solve our problem. As you can see, the time and space complexity of the solution is n square, and space complexity would be O of n because we are using this used array which is of same length. Token and is not valid. This should solve. Okay, so let's see if this works. Place is equals to true. J is equals to n 0 to n used. Okay, so the issue was with respect to, as you can see, the solution gets submitted. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also, please do post your comments on the problem statement where we, if this statement, what this statement really means, and should we have this problem sorted with respect to fruits and baskets for optimal optimization, because this statement here clearly mentions we should not have this baskets and fruits array sorted, right? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.